Hey folks, how's it going? My name is William James, and in this video I want to talk about a awesome, super easy strategy that you can use with Facebook Messenger to make $100 a day very easily in about an hour a day or less just using Facebook. So if you're new to this channel, my name is William James. Again, I do videos for affiliate marketers, network marketers, helping people start and grow a home-based business. I make a full-time living from home. I live here in New York City. And so if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Excuse me. So in today's video, I want to show you guys this really cool strategy that I've been using on Facebook. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you probably know that I have a whole Facebook training course on how I make a full-time living using my Facebook profile. You know that sells for $97 normally. I also include that for free when you pick up your copy of your artificial intelligence phone sales robot. Now this technique is really, I've been using it for that. So, and there's a reason for that. So we have this incredible technology that's a phone number that's with an artificial intelligence that will actually have a human-like conversation with people and send them to whatever link you want. And it also, if you want to resell it, it pays $100 commissions. Now, what's really cool about this is that it also will pay you for every lead that you send it. So for every person who calls, presses 1, and confirms their email address, you get paid regardless of whether they buy anything or not. So because it has this very unique feature, it's perfect for this strategy. And I want to show you real quick how you can easily use this to make $100 a day. So literally all I do is this. I find somebody who has who's in the home-based business industry, right? Who's already a network marketer or affiliate marketer. You can find them in groups, other people's walls, right? It's easy to find these people. They're all over the place if you know where to look. Work from home groups, MLM groups. It's a good place to start. You can go look for people who are liking and commenting on network marketing pages like Network Marketing Pro with Eric Wray and stuff like that. So you send them a message, and you can send them a friend request if you like. And you send them this message. You go, "Hey Bob, I see you're also a network marketer. That's awesome. I don't know if you've already heard this, but there's this really cool technology that will actually pay you for every lead that you generate for your own business. This is not like other pay-per-lead programs where you are giving the leads to some company. These are your leads for your own business, but they will pay you to generate them. It's a win-win for any marketer. If that sounds cool to you, let me know and I can shoot you the details." Okay, so I find that most of the people that I send a message like this to reply and they go, "Yeah, that sounds awesome. Shoot me the details." Because it's really cool, right? Most people screw this up. This whole strategy of messaging people on Facebook, they screw it up because usually they're either saying something like, "Hey, I'm expanding my business in your area and I was wondering if you'd be open to taking a look at a new way of making money from home." It's like, there's nothing interesting about that. It hasn't sparked my curiosity at all. Whereas with this, we have something that's really unique, that's really cool, that will actually pay him to generate leads for his own business and close his sales for. Like, why would he not be interested in that? Anybody who has a home business would be interested in this, right? So I find that almost everyone that I message this will write back and say, "Yeah, that sounds cool. Show me the info." And then you can send them to. You can say, "Well, awesome, call this phone number. And press 1 to hear more." Boom. You just got paid for a lead, first of all, right? The artificial intelligence will then take over from there and close the sale for you. Right? So you don't have to know how to create a web-based sales funnel and an email follow-up series and all of that. You don't have to do that. You just have to tell them to call the phone number. You see, it's so easy. By the way, the company does have a sales funnel that you can use as well. You know, an online funnel with videos and stuff. You can do that too. The point is, the offer is so interesting, it's so good that people will write back and ask for more information. Okay, so. And then they test it out, and it's like really cool, and they want it. So there's another variation on this where I say, this one is a little bit, it's a little disingenuous because in this message I'm I'm kind of pretending that I'm also in the same network marketing company as this person. So you would find somebody who's in a company, right? Like a CBD oil company or whatever. I'm calling it Company X. And I would say to her, hey, Jane, I see you're also with Company X. That's awesome. So I've been using this really cool new technology that actually pays me for leads that I generate for X company. It even follows up with the leads and closes the sale for me. It's so cool. I've never seen anything like this. Let me know if that sounds interesting to you and I can shoot you the info. Right? So she's going to feel like, oh, this is another person from my company who's trying to help me out. That's awesome. Of course, she's going to say, yeah, sure. Send me the info. Right? You send her the info, boom, you got a lead. You got paid for that lead. And then the artificial intelligence technology is going to follow up with her for you. There's a third variation. I say, hey, Sally, I see you're also a marketer. Just wanted to let you know I've been using this crazy new artificial intelligence sales robot that literally pays me for every lead that I generate for my own business and also follows up with them and closes the sales for me. It's so crazy cool. It's made my life so much easier. You want to check it out? I'll shoot you the info. You see, guys, it makes 1,000,000% difference if you're offering something that's cool that people want versus offering something that's just not very interesting, like, hey, do you want to look at my business? Or, some long spiel about the comp plan or you're trying to get to know the person first and have a long conversation where you're asking about their kids and guys, when you have something that's cool, that's unique, that helps everybody, you don't have to do all that stuff. You just have to tell them about it and they're interested. So look, this has been what's worked for me. If you go out and you send out one of these messages to 50 people a day, right? You do 25 in the morning, 25 in the evening. That'll take you, 10, 20 minutes. You send that out to 50 people, say 30 people or 40 people even. Let's say 30 people write back and say, yeah, that sounds interesting. Shoot me the info. You send them the information. Out of those 30 people, maybe one or two or more will buy it. It's not a guarantee. I'm just saying in my experience, for every 30 leads I get, I'll make 2, 3, 4 sales. Why? Why is it such a high conversion? Because of what I've been saying to you guys. It's super unique. It actually helps people. They've never seen anything like this before. There's no reason to say no to this. It's really cool. It will help them. It's exciting. It's different. It's cheap. It's one time $150. People just see this and they get it. Right? And even if they don't, you still just got paid for the lead. You see? So the only reason to not be making money from home on Facebook is that you're just not willing to send out some messages. Take 20 minutes and send out a copy and paste message. It's that easy. Now, if you want to get your copy of the phone number and this amazing system, it's $150 one time. You make unlimited $100 commissions, right? And as you know, I am including for free my whole advanced Facebook training in which I teach you how to get tons of engagement on your Facebook posts, all kinds of how to build a massive audience of other marketers in 30 days or less automatically, how to get them engaged, what to say to them on Messenger. Right? That's all included for free. So stop making it difficult for yourself to make a living from home. You can make $100 a day using Facebook Messenger. That's it, guys. You could literally click the link below this video, get signed up. In 10, 20 minutes, you'd be ready to go. Go out there on Facebook, start messaging people this, and you could make $100 by the end of the afternoon. It doesn't need to be hard. Is that a guarantee? No, it's not a guarantee. There are lots of factors in business. I don't know what's going to happen for you. I don't know if you'll even finish watching this video. I can't guarantee anything. I'm just saying. This works. It works for me. Works for a lot of people. Why does it work? Because we have a super cool offer that people want. Don't overcomplicate it. Right? You could spend $150 taking your family out to dinner and a movie. Or you could spend $150 and get yourself set up to do this over and over and over and over again. Every single day you do this, pretty soon you're not going to have to work a job anymore. Can't make it any easier on you guys. All right? So click the link below, get your phone number set up, and let's get making money. All right? Cool. Talk soon. Bye.